Okay, I have got some of them. Still, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. और यही एक एक मैसेज में भेजना है बेटा. Kids, please be quick. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll start with the session and you keep please typing it. Okay. So the topic today we are learning is trigonometry. How many of you heard of it? This is the very first chapter of our basic mathematics, which I teach in foundation program. Okay. So trigonometry, anybody of you have heard about trigonometry?
Sir, I know.
Okay. And you are?
Akshay Jyoti. That trigonometry means that relationship between that angles of a triangle and also the sides.
Very good. Have you heard? Have you learned somewhere?
I had a last demo session with you.
Okay, you have attended it.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. You can attend it again. No worries. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Okay. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. All of you are aware about a triangle, yes or no? Tejaswini, Isha, all of you are aware about it, right? Very good.
Yes.
Anmol, Tina, please switch on your camera, beta. Shrimoy. Okay. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Now, to understand, to represent the angles of a triangle, I am introducing some Greek alphabets here. Right? So Greek alphabets will be used to represent the angles of a triangle. So we will be using them as symbols. Will be used as symbols. So these are few of the Greek alphabets which you should be aware of. First one is alpha. Second one is beta. Third is gamma. Fourth is delta. Fifth is theta. So these are few of them, right? So alpha, beta, gamma, and theta. So how do they look like? They are represented as alpha is represented like this. Just a second, I'll take this. Alpha like this, beta is represented like this, gamma is represented like this, delta is represented like this, and theta is represented like this. So we will be using them as symbols to represent the angles of a triangle. Any doubts till this point? Any one of you is having any doubts? Adhya, Tejaswini, Akshaya, Isha,
No, sir.
Sumukha, Tina, Anmol, Shrimoy. No doubts? Very good. Very good. So the triangle which we will be dealing with in today's session is the right angle triangle, right? You can unmute if you want to talk with somebody in your place. Please mute yourself. So right angle triangle, you all have seen it. So this is our right angled triangle. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Let's say this angle is theta. Let's say this angle is theta. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. This angle is theta. Okay. And the side which is opposite to angle theta. So this side, the side which is opposite to angle theta Which side is opposite to angle theta? Side BC is opposite to angle theta. Is called as perpendicular for this triangle. The side opposite to angle theta is called as perpendicular for this triangle when we use theta. समझ आया बेटा? When we use theta, BC will be perpendicular. Okay. Now there is another thing. Suppose this is another angle, say phi, or let's call it as alpha. For alpha, which side will be perpendicular? All of you. For alpha, which side will be perpendicular?
A and B.
A and B. Very good. Very good. The side which is opposite to the angle is the perpendicular side for that angle. Right? I hope all of you understood it. Anybody is having any doubts? Please ask. Okay. Now, this AB side is the base of the triangle, base B. Perpendicular P, base B. Right? Base is always at 90 degrees with the perpendicular. And this side is called as hypotenuse. Capital H. Clear? Any doubts in this? In the sides of triangle? Anybody is having any doubts? Please ask.
Then what is the use of Greek alphabets?
They are used as symbols to represent the angles of a triangle. In this case, in this triangle, can you see I am using this theta to represent the angle A? Right?
Yes, sir.
That is the use of Greek alphabets. Only that is the use. Nothing more than that. We are not going to learn how to speak in Greek or write in Greek or grammar, Greek grammar. No. Okay? Now, I hope I have answered your query. So now, once we are familiar with what is trigonometry, what is right angle triangle, now the question arises, how these relation between angles and sides are given, right? How they are related. So they are related by some trigonometric functions. The sides and the angles of a triangle are related with each other by some trigonometric functions. Okay? The sides and the angles of a triangle are related with each other by trigonometric functions. Now, there are 6 basic trigonometric functions. The basic trigonometric functions are, first one is sine. Beta, इसका नाम है sine. How will you pronounce it? It's sine. S-I-N-E. Don't pronounce it as sin or any sine or anything, right? So it's sine. S-I-N is the short form of it, right? So sine. Second is cosine. In short, it is written as cos. Please don't write it. I will give you enough time to write. So please 100% focus should be here. Okay. Third one is tangent. Tangent. This is tan. Fourth one is cosecant. This is cosec. Fifth one is secant. This is sec. And sixth one is cotangent. This is cot. Right? So sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. These are the 6 basic functions of trigonometry. Anybody is having any queries till this point? Any queries, kids?
No queries.
Any question you want to ask? Anmol, Adhya, Tejaswini, Akshaya, Sumukha, Tina, Shrimoyi, Isha, Aryahi?
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay, very good. So now let's see how they are related. Okay. So the first function is, we are talking about is sine. So the function operates on the angle of the triangle. The function operates on the angle of the triangle. So sine of theta. How is this sine theta given? So theta is fed to this function and it will give you some output, right? So sine theta is, the value of sine theta is given as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. All of you, can you see the relation between how the angle and the sides are related? Theta is the angle. It is fed to the sine, right? And the function gives out the value p by h. Understood? All of you understood or not? This is how they are related. Second
Yes, sir.
function is cos theta. If theta is fed to
Sir, I
cos.
have a query.
Yeah, please ask.
Why are you studying this? Like, trigonometry?
तुम देर से आए?
नहीं अभी.
You joined late or what?
Yeah.
देखो, हम इसलिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमको फिजिक्स में बेसिक मैथ्स की जरूरत पड़ती है। ठीक है? और अगर बेसिक मैथ्स नहीं आएगा तो फिजिक्स नहीं आती है बेटा। ठीक है? ठीक है आर्या ही?
Yes.
ओके। सो cos theta is what? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. ठीक है? Third is tan theta, and tan theta is the ratio of sin theta to cos theta, and this is given as p by h upon b by h, which will be finally p by b, perpendicular upon base. This is what is tan theta is. Right? Then comes the fourth part is cosec theta. The fourth function is cosec theta, which is 1 upon sine theta, and this is h upon b, h upon p. 5 is sec theta, which is 1 upon cos theta. You can see the fourth, 5, and sixth one, all of them are inverse of the first three, right? So it is easy to remember. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी आप लोगों को. So this is b by p. This is how they are related. With every function, when it is provided an input of the angle of the triangle, the output is in the ratio of the sides of the triangle. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubts? Isha, Srimoi, Tejaswini, Tina, Sumukha. No doubts. Please make notes. If you don't have, just go through it once. If you face any difficulty or if you have any queries, please ask. And then, if you don't have any doubts, then we can move ahead. Okay? If you have noted it, please type done in the comment window. All of you, huh? If you are done with it. Please type done in the comment window if you have noted it. So 2 of you are done. Anybody else who has done it, please type done if you are done with it. आर्याही तुम 6th में गई हो कि 6th में आओ, तुम 7th में गई हो?
सर 6th में गई हूँ अभी।
ओ, बहुत छोटा बच्चा है भाई।
विद्यालय।
तुमको कुछ समझ आ रहा है?
हाँ थोड़ा।
थोड़ा। चलो, I think most of you are noted it. ठीक है? So once we are aware about trigonometric functions, once we are aware about the right angle triangle, let's move ahead to know more about the quadrants of a circle. So in this slide, we will learn about the quadrants of a circle. All of you, please pay attention. So these are the 4 quadrants of a circle. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is 0 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 180 degree. This is 270 degree. And this is 360 degree. Right? We start from 0, anti-clockwise move karte hain, then comes these angles. Now these angles, all of you can see here. Please pay attention. Beta likhna nahi hai. Suno dhyan se idhar. All of you can see here that these angles, they mark the start and end of a quadrant. This first quadrant starts from 0 degrees, ends at 90 degrees. Between 90 and 180, second quadrant is there. Between 180 and 270, third quadrant. Between 270 and 360, fourth quadrant. So these angles have unique name. They are called as reference angles. We call these angles as reference angles. Right? We call these angles as reference angles. Okay? Now, every quadrant has 2 reference angles, a smaller one and the larger one, right? Now, this entire, each quadrant is divided into equal segments of 15 degrees, 15 degrees. So, there are 3 angles in each of the quadrants. There are 3 angles in each quadrant, which are called as standard angles. So in the first quadrant, in the first quadrant, the angles are 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. These angles have a unique name. They are called as standard angles. So they are standard angles of first quadrant. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now there will be standard angles for second, third, and fourth quadrant also. So what is the rule to find those? The rule to find the standard angles of second, third, and the fourth quadrants, first method to find it is add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. Okay. So what does it mean? I'll show you. Just pay attention, huh? For the second quadrant, if I want to find angle for the second quadrant, all of you please pay attention. बच्चों ध्यान से सुनना बेटा इधर. If I want you to find what are the standard angles for second quadrant, which are the reference angles for second quadrant? All of you. Which are the reference angles for second quadrant?
90 and 180.
Very good. 90 and 180. All of you agree to this or not? Say yes or no. बेटा
Yes.
बोलना है ना? बोलो.
Yes.
बोलोगे तो सीखोगे. हाँ, very good. So, which one of these is a smaller angle? 90 and 180 में smaller कौन है?
90.
90, sir.
Very good.
90.
So to this 90 degrees, we add the standard angles of these quadrant, the first quadrant. So 90 plus 30, 90 plus 45 degree, 90 plus 60 degrees. Clear hai beta? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubts? Please ask. This is 135 degrees. This is 150 degrees. I hope this is clear to all of you, right? So this is how these angles are the standard angles of second quadrant, right? Now comes the second step, second method. Either we can use this or we can use this. Subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant. Subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. From the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. For example, chalo, I'll pick one of you. Srimohi. You can participate?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Srimohi, if I ask you to use the second rule for second quadrant, what will you do? Which one of these two, 90 and 180, which one of these two is the larger reference angle, Srimohi?
180.
180. So what will we do with 180?
We will subtract it with the first standard angle, which is 30. So it will be 180 minus 30.
Minus 60 for 120. Very good. Very good, Srimohi. You are in which standard, Srimohi?
Sir, 8.
Very good. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. I hope all of you understood the rule. Adhya, Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
And we have Tejaswini, Isha, Aryahi, Sumukha, and Tina.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tejaswini, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, your exercise for this slide is find the standard angles of the third and fourth quadrant. Of the third and the fourth quadrant.
Sir, in the chat box.
Solve it. First, you solve it. Post your answers in the chat box, and then you write. Then you make notes of the slide. Okay? पहले आपको सॉल्व करना है, फिर आप उसको चैट में मुझे आंसर करोगे, एंड देन यू विल राइट इट. ओके, देन यू विल कॉपी द नोट्स, मेक नोट्स. ठीक है, डू इट. Please give answers. Yeah, very good. Shabash Akshaya, very good beta. Very good Isha, very good. Shabash. Very good. Very good Adhya. This is good for third quadrant. Very good. Give me fourth one also. Wow. Very good Srimohi. Shabash beta. Very good Tejaswini. For fourth quadrant, very good. Tejaswini, where is your third quadrant? Where is third quadrant's answer? I can see your fourth quadrant. Okay, very good. Very good. Good going. So those of you who have given me all the answers of third and fourth quadrant, you can move ahead to this one. Copy the slide. Make notes. Very good Sumukha. Shabash beta. And very good Isha. So all of you understood what I wanted to say. That's great. Meanwhile, I am writing the answers. Meanwhile, all of you have got it correct, right? So you can copy the slide. Meanwhile, I will write the answers for third and fourth quadrant. Okay. I will do it for you. So it's 180 degrees plus 30 plus 45 plus 60. This is 210 degrees, 225 degrees, and 240 degrees. This is 180 plus 45, 180 plus 60. You can also write this as 270 minus 30. Sorry, this is 60. This is 270 minus 45. And this is 270 minus 30. Right? For the fourth quadrant, you can write it. You can get the angles by adding 270 to 30, 45, and 60. 300, 315 degrees, and 330 degrees. I hope I can see all of you have got it correct. Most of you have got it correct. Right? And there are no doubts. Even if you have any doubts, please ask. I'll be more than happy to help you. Very good, Aryahi. Shabash beta. देखो तुम सिक्स्थ में होके कमाल कर रही हो. Very good. I appreciate. Shabash. Very good, Srimohi. Very good, Adhya. Chalo. Please make notes. And once you are done, type done in the comment window. All of you, please be quick. Huh? Chalo bhai. Shall I move ahead? All of you done? Kids, please type done if you are done. Please be quick. हाँ? थोड़ा सा बेटा, जल्दी करो. Adhya noted beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shrimoy, still doing? Tejaswini, Akshaya.
Sir, just the last lines.
No,
Okay,
sir.
do it, do it, do it. No worries. But write it neatly and so that you can understand it, right? So that you can refer to it when you want to learn from it. So Isha, Sumukha, Adhya, Isha, Akshaya, very good. Tejaswini, shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So once we are aware about these angles, all of you just look at the reference angles. All of you just pay attention to the reference angles. 90 into 0. Right? So 0 को तो हटा ही देते हैं. 90 into 1, 90 into 2, they are multiples of 90 degrees, right? Into 3, 90 into 4. This is 90. This is an odd multiple. This is 180 degrees. This is an even multiple of 90. This is 270 degrees. This is odd multiple of 90. And this is 360 degrees. This is even multiple of 90. So odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So all, please remember this, right? These reference angles, odd and even. You can make a quick note of it. Write it. 10 seconds, quickly.
Over, sir.
Okay. So
Done.
done. Very good. So let's see some more attributes of the quadrants. Okay. Please pay attention. Now, this is very important because this is something which you need to comprehend. Okay. So we have the rules for first quadrant. Okay. Trigonometric values. By trigonometric values, I mean sine, cos, and tan. Sine, cos, and tan. We are interested only in these three values because rest of them are inverse of it, right? So trigonometric values, that is sine, cos, and tan of all the angles in the first quadrant are always positive, right? Their values will always be greater than 0. Okay? Kids, please say yes or no if you understood it. For example,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
for
sir.
example, I'll give you one example also. 2-3
Excuse
examples.
me, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Sir, in the last slide, which you showed the small box, there, like, we should only tell that it's an odd multiple and nothing else about it.
That's it. Bas. Nothing more than that. These are odd multiples of 90. These are even multiples of 90 degrees. That's it. Okay. So now sine 30 degrees. Since 30 degree lies in which quadrant? In the first quadrant, right? So its value will be positive. Cos 45 degrees. 45 degree angle lies in the first quadrant. So its value is always positive. Tan, say 38 degrees. 38 degrees lies in the first quadrant. So it is positive. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what I meant
Yes,
with
sir.
by this first rule. Now comes the second rule for second quadrant. Sine of, I'll write only sine of all the angles in the second quadrant is positive. Right? Only sine of all the angles in the second quadrant is positive. In this quadrant, cos and tan are negative for all the angles in the second quadrant. You have to memorize it, right? Because this is what something you need to remember. तो नहीं हो सकता, याद करना ही पड़ेगा इसका. For example, I'll give you some examples. If I ask you, what is the nature of sine 150 degrees? Positive or negative? So 150 degrees lies in the second quadrant between 90 and 180, right? That's why it is positive. What about cos 175 degrees? Since it lies in the second quadrant and it is cos, so it is negative. I hope all of you are clear in this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shabash.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very good. Third one is only tan of all the angles is positive in the third quadrant. Right? मतलब यहाँ पे sin and cos are negative in it. Right? I'll give you one example. Please pay attention. If I ask you to find what is tan of 225 degrees, it's very simple. Is it positive or negative? So you will say it's positive because 225 degrees lies in third quadrant. Cos of 210 degrees, it's negative. Sine of 200 and say 185 degrees. 185 is in the third quadrant, so it is negative. Clear, beta? All of you understood this? Say yes or no. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is having any doubt, please ask. Tejaswini, you understood?
Yes, sir.
आर्याही, आपको समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes.
वैसे तुम बहुत छोटा बच्चा. ईशा, you understood? Very good. So now comes the fourth rule. In this, only cos of all the angles is positive in the fourth quadrant. Right? So here, sine and tan are negative in it. Right? So I'll give you some examples. Cos 330 degrees. Positive or negative? Obviously positive. How we can check?
Positive.
330 lies in fourth quadrant between 270 and 360 degrees. So that's why this is positive. What about tan 315 degrees? Obviously negative because it lies in the fourth quadrant. Sine 358 degrees. It is also negative. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no, kids?
Yes,
Adhya,
sir.
Yes.
Primo, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Or you are busy noting it, making notes?
Yes, sir.
Don't make notes. I'll give you time to make notes, beta. Huh? Pay attention when I'm teaching. Okay. So for all of you, I have few questions. Just answer this and then you can note it. First is sine. You just have to mention what is the nature of it, right? Positive or negative. Sine 45 degrees. Cos 150 degrees. Third is sine 225 degrees. Fourth is tan 160 degrees. Fifth is cos 320 degrees. Just mention positive or negative sequence wise in the comment window. I'll check it. Meanwhile, I check. You will write the notes. Okay, make notes.
Which con? Positive.
शाबाश बेटा, करो जल्दी से.
ఇక్కడ షిఫ్ట్ కొట్టి కొట్టాలి.
All in one, huh? Sequence wise देना है बेटा. Adhya, please write in one single message, huh? It will be good for me to answer, to check it. चले? Very good. So few of you have answered it. Shabash. Shrimoy, very good. Very good. Shabash, Shrimoy, your answer is correct. Sumukha, your answer is also correct. Very good. Then we have Aryahi. शाबाश बेटा. तुम जिस स्टैंडर्ड में हो ना, 6th में, उसके हिसाब से यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड आर्याही. शाबाश. तेजस्विनी, वेरी गुड. ईशा, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. ईशा, अक्षया, send me your answer, kids. Srimohi, you sent me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good, Isha. You got all correct. Shabash. Tejaswini, you also got all correct. Very good. Hello. If you have noted it, please type done. Very good. Four of you still remain. Please do it quickly, all of you. Isha, noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So, let's move ahead. with the standard triangles. So we saw standard angles. Now there are standard triangles. These standard triangles will help us to find the trigonometric values of the standard angles of first quadrant. So they are 2 in number. So these are this is A, this is B, this is C, right? This is an isosceles triangle. 45 degrees are the angles of the isosceles sides. This is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. So these are the 2 angles, right? 2 triangles which you need to memorize. Now, the sides are, please pay attention, kids. All of you are aware about Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, Pythagoras theorem. It says sum of the squares of the sides of right angle triangle is equal to its hypotenuse. So I'll write it here. It's P square plus B square is equal to H square. Now pay attention. The sides measures are 1, 1 and root 2. How will you get root 2? Using this. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2 ka square, right? So, and this side has, this is the smallest angles opposite side is 1. This is 2. And this is sorry, this is not 2. This is 2. 1, the longest side is 2. And this is root 3. How do I get this 3? This is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. And this is base, right? So we can easily find 2 square minus 1 square is base square. So base is root 3. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So please memorize these sides of the triangle. It will be easier for you to find the values of the trigonometric values of these angles, right? Now you can see here, easily I can find what is value of sine 45 degrees from here. For this angle of 45, this is perpendicular. So it is 1 over root 2. Cos 45 is again 1 over root 2. Tan 45 is what? Simple, eh? 1 upon 1. 1 only. Yes or no? All of you understood this or not?
Yes.
Very good. Now what about this one? Sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2. Cos 30 degrees. This is base for cos 30, right? So root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degrees. What is sine 60 degree? All of you write sine and cos 60 degrees. Do it quickly. Tell me the value in the comment window. Cos 60 and sine 60.
Perpendicular by
If you have any doubts, you can always ask. Please ask if you have any doubts, right?
Sir, I didn't understand why we are keeping it in fraction.
Sorry. You
Sir, I
are?
didn't understand why we kept it in fraction.
Why we are keeping this in fraction? Okay. So, do you remember this slide? This value?
Yes, sir.
This was also in fraction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is how we give sine. This is how we find the value of sine of a given angle. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. ठीक है, Srimohi?
Yes, sir.
Now go back. Let's come back to this. Sine 45 degree. Which one is perpendicular for 45 degrees?
1.
1. So this is P. Which one is hypotenuse? This is H. So P by H.
Okay.
Got it? Same for
Yes.
sine 30. Sine 30. Which one is perpendicular for 30 degree? 1. Hypotenuse is 2. So 1 by 2. So any ideas what is sine 60? Tejaswini, what is sine 60?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Sumukha. Ask.
Sir, why have we taken 2, 1 and root 3? Why not the other number?
Huh. Because that's what I told you. This is a standard triangle, right? Its values are fixed and we need to memorize it.
Okay, sir.
Huh. Matlab, see, if I give you a one paragraph rule to remember, it will be difficult for you. That's why we are using the triangles as visual aid to remember the values of these angles, right?
Okay, sir.
So what is sine 60, Sumukha? You answer it.
Sir, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2.
Very good. Shabash. Perpendicular for 60 degrees in this triangle is root 3. So root 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. All of you, if you have any doubts, please ask. Adhya, Akshaya, Aryahi, Isha, Sumukha, Tejaswini, Srimohi. And if you don't have any doubts, please copy this quickly. Name the heading as
Sir, I
standard.
did not understand cos 30.
Cos 30. Okay. This is angle 30, right? Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So perpendicular for 30 degrees is which angle? Which side? This side is perpendicular for 30 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Base is what? Root 3. So cos is given as what? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
Base is root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. So it's root 3 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Please make notes, all of you. Do it quickly. If you have noted it, we will move ahead. All of you done with this?
No, sir.
अच्छा करो लिखो आराम से. Noted, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So now the final topic for today's session, I am giving you trigonometric values, trigonometric table. So this table, some of you have already learned, right? This table gives us the trigonometric value of all the reference angles and all the standard angles of first quadrant. This trigonometric table, you can draw it with me. It's a 9x7 table. 7 rows and 9 columns.
Skill. One, two, three, four, five, six.
You can draw it with me. Now, now don't draw. Now you can focus here. This first row is for functions. First column. These are the angles. 30, 45, 60 degrees, 90, 180, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. Okay. This is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Now, before I fill this, you should remember cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. And cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. And tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Right? So we will be using this knowledge, our previous knowledge of trigonometry, to fill this table. Also, one more thing which I want you to recall is, you are already aware of it. It's the fraction p by q is not defined if q is equal to 0. Right? The fraction p by q is not defined if q is equal to 0. Now pay attention, value of sine of 0. How I am filling it, I am mentioning it to you. You can fill it accordingly then. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 degrees is 1 by 2. We have already calculated it from the standard triangles. Sine of 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 270 is -1. And sine 360 is 0. So this is the first row which you should remember. Memorize it. Right? Now comes cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. Cos 180 -1. Cos 270 0. Cos 360 is 1 again. Now, once you are aware of these 3 rows, it's very easy to write the rest of them following this data. Tan is sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1 is 0. This is 1 over root 3. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Don't write. This is 1. This is root 3. This is not defined. 1 upon 0 becomes not defined, right? Then comes tan 180. 0 upon -1. 0. This is again not defined. And this is again 0. Cosec. Cosec is 1 upon sine. So it is 1 upon 0. This is not defined. This is 2. This is root 2. This is 2 over root 3. This is 1. This is not defined. This is minus 1. This is not defined again. Anything in the denominator which is 0, the fraction is not defined. Sec 1 upon cos. It's 1. It's 2 over root 3. It's root 2. It's 2. Not defined. Minus 1. Not defined. And 1. Cot is 1 upon tan. So it is not defined in the very first column. This is root 3. This is 1. This is 1 over root 3. This is 1 upon not defined is 0. This is again not defined. This is 0. This is 1 not defined. This is the trigonometric table, which partially you can memorize it using the standard triangles, and rest this 90, 180, 270, 360 and 0, you can memorize it with this triangle, with this table, right? So if the first two rows, sine and cos, you are able to memorize it, your life in trigonometry will be very easy. And kids, believe me, these three topics, trigonometry, vectors and calculus, they are the backbone of physics. If you are very good at it, believe me, physics will be very easy for you, right? The application part. So please go through it once. If you have any doubts, please ask. If you don't have any doubts, just make notes. लिखो बेटा जल्दी.
Sir, done.
चुप रहा है कैसा? हाँ?
Done, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
sir, what is the first word in that first column?
This one,
Upper one.
function. अच्छा, I'm sorry. I wrote it for small functions. So this column is for functions, okay?
Sir, done.
Good. I hope all of you are done with it.
Not done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. No worries. I'm waiting.
Yes,
I'll wait. Don't worry. Please don't leave the session. We will have a quick feedback session and then we will move ahead, okay?
Done, sir.
Okay. Please type done when you are done, okay? Chalo, done all of you?
Sir, one
Adya?
line.
हाँ
One line.
लिखो लिखो लिखो.
Done, sir.
Okay. So this was the last thing for today's session. Before we move, time for quick feedback. So let's start with Adya. Adya, how was the session for you? You understood?
Yes, sir.
You are in which standard, Adya?
6th completed, sir.
Sixth completed. So you are in seventh. You have not yet started your seventh standard, but you are able to understand this topic, right?
Yes, sir.
And it was not getting heavy for you. It was not becoming like you're not able to understand in one go, or you are struggling to understand it. Was it like anything like that?
No, sir.
No? Very good. Anything you'd like to give the feedback? Any type of feedback you want to give?
Nice, sir.
नहीं? ठीक है. Thank you. Isha, please come on the screen. Yeah. Hi, Isha. How was the session for you? You are in which standard, Isha? You have to unmute. Unmute yourself. Unmute.
I'm in 8th now, sir.
Eighth. Okay. Can you please bring the camera low, or you can sit upright? Yeah, that's like good. Yeah, now we can see your face. Yes, Isha. How was
The
the session?
session was good. The session was good.
You understood everything?
Yeah.
Great. You have not heard about trigonometry before?
No.
Okay. Okay. Anything you'd like to give suggestion, or anything you'd like to suggest or ask?
No, not really, sir.
Not really. Okay. Thank you so much, Isha. Srimohi, what about you?
So the session was pretty good, and the topic which I was not aware of, like I didn't feel that I didn't know about that topic. It was pretty easy for me to understand about.
Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So the youngest one, Aryahi, amongst all of you. Yes, Aryahi. How was the session for you?
This is new for me, so I was not able to understand like chord,
Cause
and
uh,
other things like
uh, actually,
some.
I do understand, because this session is meant for seventh standard and above students, right? So you are still very young for this type of class, but don't worry, right? But you did very good. The way you are answering, it was very nice. No one helped you in that? You did it on your own?
Some questions.
Some
I was having difficulty with quadrant only.
Okay, quadrant.
One question.
Okay, good. Good, good. Akshaya, okay, you have already attended it, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Already.
No worries. Sumukha, how was the session for you?
Sir, it was good, sir.
You understood everything, what I taught?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Very good. Tejaswini?
Yes, sir. I like the session and understand all things.
Good. So thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much. We will send my team will connect with your parents. We will send you the recordings, right? If you have any doubts, this is my number. I am sharing my number with all of you. Please connect with me if you have any doubts regarding anything or any queries you have. 957-437-5555. Right? Whatever you have not understood, you can just ask me. You can connect with me. You can send me the voice note or a picture of the notes which you have. Just go through your notes. If you find any problem or any challenge, just ask. Right? I'll answer it. Okay. Thank you so much for your precious time. I enjoyed teaching all of you. Right? And my best wishes to all of you for all your future endeavors, whatever you wish to pursue. Thank you so much, kids. God bless you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.